What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Lake Lugano here in Switzerland. Just a little bit further down that way is Italy. We're really close to the border. We've just crossed the Swiss Alps coming in from Zug or Zurich, and yeah, so Lake Como's just over that way. Anyways, I'm going to walk this area here, show you guys around. I've actually put my suitcase and luggage in storage so I can come out here and explore. I'm going to get some food also. I haven't really eaten much today. I'm in the mood for pasta and spaghetti, obviously, because we're really close to Italy, and figure if I come all the way over here, that's what I was craving, like some sort of carbonara or something. Show you what's going on out here in Lake Lugano. It's a beautiful day. It's a little bit spicy, a little bit hot. It's kind of got a subtropical climate, they say here. It's one of the more warmer areas of Switzerland. So the interesting thing about Switzerland, in the north, Zurich feels a bit German. Geneva feels a bit French. St. Moritz, maybe a little bit Austrian, German. But then over here, once you cross the Swiss Alps, you're in Lugano, you feel like you're in Italy. And that's what's interesting about Switzerland, is how its cultural identity is kind of split into three different categories, depending on the canton. But look at that. It's definitely Switzerland. Still using the franc. And yeah, the train took about 3 hours, not too bad. There's a couple different towns around here that you can explore, actually. Where's the Lake Lugano sign? They have like a funicular car that you can take to get up to the station, because the station is way up there. But look at these views here. I'll be walking into the actual village here in a minute. That's the village area, like the central square. If you wanted some good food, shopping. It's a beautiful fountain. There's just no place really in the world like the Alps. The Alps is so special. I mean, it's, like I said, France, Italy, Switzerland, Austria, they all share the Alps, and it's just an amazing place. This one will take you to Giordano. The interesting thing is, it's kind of like a international border crossing, but if you have the visa, it's a Schengen country, so you can see, real beautiful here. A little bit hot, not too bad. All right, so from the lake, you walk up in here, where they got the restaurants, the old town area. Federale. Let's go up into these alleyways and see how it's looking. I'll show you the station, which is really cool. Oh, look at that. All the goods. Oh my gosh. What could be better than that? close enough to Milan. See if they got some electrolytes. I need some water. All right. They had an electrolyte drink, so I bought that. They didn't have water. It's a bit hot. Hot, hot, hot. Kind of reminds me a bit of Monaco here. It's got a little bit of that Monaco vibe. Let's go this way. Monaco meets like Cinque Terre meets Switzerland. On a lake. What we got here? Lugano Dante. Bar Ristorante. Oh, they got doner kebab. Might just be what I was looking for. I want spaghetti, but seems like kebab is always the one that comes in clutch. Heck, even some pizza will do. Slice of pizza. Well, probably gonna go up there and get some doner kebab because it's right there on the way to the funicular. For dinner, when I get to Italy, I'll actually get some pasta. Right now, I'm still in transit mode, so want something smooth and efficient. Kebab, just bada bing, bada boom, you know. Just gotta really appreciate Turkey for that. Turkish style. There we go. What we got? Well, I'm going to ride the funicular car here up to the station and the cathedral. Yeah, so this is the funicular. All right, that was a quick ride up. All righty, we have made it. I'm gonna eat my kebab here. Show you guys the station a bit and some of the views that you get here. So I just got my ticket to Como. There's like 3 or 4 different stations in there. I guess, I don't know. Como Norte, Como something else. I just put in whichever one, and it cost 12 franc. Who knows, maybe even a bus goes over there for all I know. Probably even get a taxi there. Viganello. Okay, just want to show you guys the cathedral, beautiful cathedral. There's like a tram. We got vitamin water. I have not seen actual vitamin water here though, so maybe like a Swiss version of vitamin water. I wonder when the train is coming. There's no signs. Where's the signs?